Hello everyone. This is continuation of previous lecture. So last class we have seen about this voltage divider with resistor 10k and 20k with DC voltage. So now I am going to explain some other feature also. So what I am going to do here, I am going to add one capacitor and I am going to click label net. If I click label net, I will give the name is output. Then I will connect here. Then I will press escape button. I am connecting with wire and I am going to take ground. I am connecting here. So now the same I am going to run simulation. Sorry, I have to give the capacitor value. I am just giving a 10 nanofarad. So now simulation is run. Now I am clicking here. Okay, here it is showing that output voltage is 6.67 volt. Now whenever we are using the capacitor, we used to get the some from 0 to raising the maximum value, means that a ramp function we used to get that when we are using the capacitor. So here it is missing. Here we are getting the constant voltage here. So how we can get over here? For that small changes we have to do, we have to click the simulate, edit simulation command. We have to click start external DC supply voltage at 0 volt. Okay, now I am going to zoom. Yes, so now I got the value. It is starting from 0 and it is gradually increasing, then it is reaching the constant voltage. So from this adding the capacitor, so while we are if I want to get some ramp function output voltage, go to the simulation. Go to the simulate, click the edit simulation command and click enable this button. Then if you zoom, you can get that value of ramp function of capacitor. So it will be useful for you. This is one information. Another information, if we want to measure uh, difference voltage, for example this is a node 1 here, another node is here. So if I want to measure the voltage difference between these two nodes, so what I have to do, just I will keep the marker over here. Then I will press control key and hold it, and where I have to mark, I will click. Now here you are getting V output comma N001. So N001 is a input voltage, and I am comparing this input voltage with my output voltage. So that's why the value is going from 0 and it is reaching -9. Then again the value is -3.6 volt, because my input voltage is 10 volt. Earlier we have seen my output voltage is 6.6. So 10 value is a bigger value. So 6.6 minus 10, so I will get 3.6 volt. So here I'm getting almost not a 3.6 exactly. If I want to check exact value, I will go here, I will click, I will select first. Okay, then I can measure the value. So here I'm getting yes, minus 3.33. So my output voltage was 6.66. I'm subtracting that output voltage with my input voltage. That is a potential difference between these two nodes. Okay, so I'm getting minus 3.33 volt. So likewise for your circuit, if you are using that any transistor or any operation amplifier, if you want to find that potential difference, easily you can able to find. Only the thing is, it's very simple. You have to keep this marker over here and press control key, press with control key and drag it and fix in another. That's it. You will get that value. So I hope you got this idea. Next lecture, I will discuss about half wave rectifier. So here on this lecture I have explored about that label, label net. Another thing is this RAM value, and how we can find the potential difference between two nodes. Thank you.